Reason behind choosing these six stocks are they are established brand and selling common products across different verticals in their brand name. First company Havells. Along with Havells, it has four subsidiaries like Layard, Crabtree, Standard, REO. Under Havells brand, it's selling fans, lighting, kitchen appliances, switches, switchgear, water heater, cables, air cooler, pump, water purifier, and solar. Second company Bajaj Electricals Limited. Under Bajaj Electrical Limited, it sells air cooler, water heater, fans, lighting, room heater, and kitchen applications, and many items. Third company V-Guard. V-Guard sells voltage stabilizer, inverters, battery, solar power system, electrical water heater, solar water heater, wires and cables, fans, kitchen appliances, pumps, domestic switches, modular switches, air cooler, water purifier, and many products. Fourth company Finolex Cables Limited. In Finolex Cables Limited, it sells wires and cables, switches, LED lightings, fan, and MCB, and many other products. Company Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited. It sells fans, lighting, kitchen appliances, water heater, air cooler, pumps, and many other products. It's a company Polycab. It sells cables and wires, fans, lighting and luminaries, switches, switchgear, solar products, pumps, appliance, and many other products. If you take the common products, fans and water heaters are produced by all the brands, followed by lightings and kitchen appliances, air cooler, pumps, switches. Solar water heater produced only by Havells and V-Guard. If you take Havells and V-Guard, it holds most of the common products, followed by Polycab. The prices of stocks are on June 3rd, 2021. And if you take the market capital, Havells with the topmost of 67,158 crores, followed by Crompton Greaves Consumer Electrical Limited with 25,734 crores, followed by Polycab India Limited with 25,000, followed by Bajaj Electricals with 12,000, and V-Guard with 11,000. Finally, Finolex Cables with 7,000. If you take the PE ratio, Bajaj Electricals holds 66 and Havells 64, V-Guard for 56, Crompton Greaves with 42. The revenue, profit, OPM percentage, dividend, latest value available on 3rd Jan 2021. If you take the revenue, Havells holds highest one of 10,427 crores. If you take the profit, Havells is the topmost with 1,039 crores, followed by Polycab with 831 crores and Crompton Greaves with 604 crores, followed by Finolex Cables with 402 crores, and V-Guard and Bajaj Electrical with near to 200 crores. If you all of them are giving. V-Guard came IPO at 2008. So if you invest 1 lakh rupees in 2005 in these stocks, V-Guard gave the highest return of 31%, followed by Bajaj Electricals with same 31%, and Havells with 26%, and finally Finolex Cables with 18%. This returns excluding dividend, and this return calculated based on the stock price as on 3rd June 2021. The same four stocks, if invested 1 lakh rupees in 2010, V-Guard gave the highest return of 41%, followed by Havells with 27.8%, third with Finolex Cable of 23%, and finally Bajaj Electricals with 18% return. This return calculation excluding dividend return, and the price calculated as the stock price as on 3rd June 2021. Lakh rupees in 2005, Bajaj Electrical gave a return of 32%, followed by V-Guard, Havells with 28%, followed by Crompton Greaves investing in 2016 with return of 26%, followed by Polycab in 2019 with 25%, finally with Finolex Cable with return of 13%. This return calculated based on the price as on stock price based on June 3, 2021, and among all the three calculations, V-Guard gave the highest return to the stock investors. Exact long-term return statistics of these six stocks may differ. This return analysis is based on my research data. Please do your own analysis for exact return. Stock in market investment involves huge risk. I don't recommend any stocks to buy at any price. This video is for informative purpose. Please do your own analysis before investing any stocks. Also check with your advisor.